Chris. How are you? Kung yay kasi ngayon ha? 30 some? How many? What? 30 what? 5? What is your birth year? 87. What about her? How come you guys look the same?
Because we're twins.
You guys are? Okay, how old are you?
How old are you?
Come.
Hey, hey.
How old are you now? What is your birthday? Do you remember your birthday?
Oh yeah.
What? What month? What? Oh, almost, yeah. Almost. 70. ฉันเป็นเพื่อนหลายแต่ไม่รู้แก Mr. HAKU. Hey. Tegde terus kan kali yok tegde. Okey kata ya. Okey. Okey.
$4,000 kids. Get out of here. So weird. Damn, so weird. Love you guys. Come on, support local bundle, but they need to come on. Crazy. Everybody come on, support.
Everybody get up there and show your support.
Show Samoa pa. Dahil para performance niya ngamo. Well, pinasyoan na kay me, program si mga iluso may announce na sila spoon na siyon ngayon iten na Lenny Fredim sing sette Lenny alaf so the lunch na kumda tuyak kalkal medal mo may lunch church na kumda fintenen ala pa mukuya ta mun first birthday sira na phone na manumil kain kuya awin pala mo pera na kung fa wala January 2 may pagkain aulia anytime any day of our lives. Kung siyang lang silong blanket pa tayo. Kaya. HAKU, that's HAKU. Wow. He's tired, yeah? He can't wait for the cake. Cut the cake, you know. That's good. Hooray! Shoot back. Angé.
Go, show it. Go. My girl, don't flip it like a flipper girl. Flip it like a flipper girl. Lift your bum up, flip it like a flipper girl. Flip it like a flipper girl. Flip it like a flipper girl. Noise. Go, show it.
inorek lang cake. Pangal, pangal.
Dapat natin muna. Kapanga, awawo siya.
Okay, we're calling all the kids. Everyone, come around. Make a circle around HAKU. We're gonna go ahead and sing happy birthday to him. I think he's getting tired. He wants to, enjoy the birthday cake. So hurry up, guys. Everyone, let's sing to the birthday boy, HAKU.
They're gonna sing happy birthday.
Yeah, we're gonna sing. So please come around, make a huge circle around HAKU so we can sing the birthday song. So he could. I don't know, it looks like he's ready to go for the cake. Okay, so kids, come around and get ready to sing. Pagpanga masya plastic taro kita. Rela may cake singin agad pa. Matito, mana kung taltoy lang. Okay, so kids, come around, HAKU, the birthday boy, please. I wanna see anybody, everybody. Come over here. Let's sing happy birthday. Yeah, this is a special birthday for HAKU. It's our first birthday. So let's come around and form a circle and are you ready? Say happy birthday to HAKU. Happy birthday, HAKU. All right. Thank you, guys. Okay, everybody. Okay, so
Everybody pay attention, okay?
so go ahead. Anytime, go ahead and start singing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to HAKU. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? How old are you? Somebody could have cut the cake. Yeah, somebody cut the cake so we can help HAKU. Okay, all the kids hang around so you can get some of the cake, please. Yeah, we can help HAKU. It's too much for one person, so just hang around so we could. Somebody's gonna cut. Ahmed is good. What are you guys gonna do? Very nice. Okay, here comes the knife. Huh? Yeah, they're gonna start passing out the cakes and everything. Somebody cut. Sorry, yeah. Ready song?
Where's Mio? That's the cake.
Okay, Korean song pinaking. Korean song pinaking. Sorry. But it's this year. Alright guys, everybody, thank you so much. So they're cutting the cake right now. Man, this is a huge picture.
Me too. HAKU, look.
Once again from EMS Production. This one is for them girls and them ladies who live behind. This what you say when young, alongside Mr. Roar and Baby Taylor. So we're gonna sing it like this. Hey, hey! Sitting waiting tables while sitting waiting for them to show. What a name, more story rolls, maybe I'll never know.
sa mat. Alright. Sa mat.
What's going on inside? I don't know. I've been there before. Waiting for somebody else to those places, see them anymore. Where she's shouting out at the car, smoking and crying. She don't have to go too far to figure out that she's tired. There's a cigarette and make it better. See just lying to herself. Nothing's ever gonna change by the time we need to flying. Well, she's smoking and crying. She done roll over in a soul truck with a brand new car. I saw her face as she walked into the place in a rectal room. Wish I could go shot and give her my best advice and tell her it'll be okay. But I just drank my coffee, then I went on my way. Where she shouting out at the car, smoking and crying. She don't have to go too far to figure out that she's lying. There's a cigarette and make it better. She's just lying to herself about getting him back. She's still trying. Nothing's ever gonna change by the time we need to flying. Well, she's smoking and crying. She's smoking and crying. Ooh. She don't have to go too far to figure out that she's lying. There's a cigarette and make it better. See to herself without getting him back. She's still trying. Nothing's ever gonna change by the time we need to flying. Well, she's smoking and crying.
Nice, nice.
4,000 kids. Get out of here. So weird. Damn, so weird. Love you guys. Mga support mo kung bundle, matayin niya sa kanya. Sure. Everybody come out, support.
Show Samoa pa. Dahil para performance ini nanay. Nama.
Tomorrow, turn yourself in. 2 weeks suspension. Yes, sir. Hey, happy birthday to my nephew, HAKU.
Bänki mot onsju. Och askistosa. Sophia pretty boys in.
Well, kailangan ko lang.
I'd like to all you guys, thank you guys for coming out supporting. If one of you guys kids in there playing, making noise, right on. Are they having fun? Travis, all your friends. Oh, Shelly.
Kapeling ko siya
Mo
eh.
ko lang.
O Team Pera off.
Iyo, kumita sa dali.
Oh. Sapay. Nahingi min di kanti mai leshwok tem kanti. Nga kaya tamimi nga takam tashwok mo ikmo nga kim relax. Tanah hukum teh. Get ready, yes.
Can you help me?
Come on, my friend.
Well, pinasyawan na kay Mayor, program si mga iluso Mayor ng se. Nga sila kung nasyon ngayon iten na Lenny Fred him sing a set Lenny, alam so the lens na kung dito yakaltal. Madal mo may itlan church na kung dito vintenen alay pa mukuya. When first birthday siya, na phone naman umil kain ko. Ako win pala mo pera na kung wala January 2, may pagkain aulia anytime, any day of our lives. Kung siya lang silong, Vale, flanket. Vale, flanket pa tayo. Kaya. HAKU, that's HAKU. Wow. He's tired, yeah? He can't wait for the cake. Cut the cake, you know. That's good. Hooray! 슈페. 앙해. 앙해.
Okay, alright guys.
오.
You look so
Happy birthday, one thousand, yeah.
You look so go shorty, go shorty, go shorty, go. My girl, don't flip it like a flipper girl, flip it like a flipper girl. Flip your bumper, flip it like a flipper girl, flip it like a flipper girl, flip it like a flipper girl. Go shorty. Joanna, Boa, Moa, Opuku Kampa, Opuku Kampa, Opuku Kampa, Yataputa Nisi, Yataputa Nisi, Yataputa Nisi. Inano, Yeta, Kakiana Pana, Hakanawa,
Kaya kung may kakanin, no reclaim. Okay.